We turned our journey from Kyoto to Osaka into a day trip to Nara. We arranged for our luggage to be shipped to Osaka. We took the 8:55 a.m. Limited Express Vista train from Kyoto and arrived in Nara at 9:30 a.m. The reserved seat plus the base fare totaled 1,280 yen, a little over $8 US per person. I enjoyed a self-cooking steak meal while on the train. As we walked out of the Nara train station, we were greeted by bowing deer. Our first stop was the Todai-ji Temple. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its giant bronze Buddha statue housed in the world's largest wooden building, the Great Buddha Hall. After leaving the Great Buddha Hall, we walked to this annex temple with Nara city views. Next, we fed the friendly deer with biscuits that we purchased for 200 yen. These biscuits for the deer are readily available at every shop in Nara. At noon, we visited the shrine famous for its over 3,000 stone and bronze lanterns. The self-guided tour included a dark room featuring lit lanterns. At 2:30 p.m., we took the Rapid Express train from Nara to Osaka. Our luggage, shipped from Kyoto, arrived at our Osaka hotel just as we were checking in.